guys, what's happening? Good morning. Early here at the car show. This is a different one, guys. We're in Newport, but this is a different one. And let me first say this, we got a nurse here, right?
What up, man?
Mustangs. Mustang, loud Mustangs. Anyways, Rye's not here. It's pretty crazy. Look at that. Starting out, let's do it. Shutting it down, look at that.
Thank you.
Yeah, the cops are shutting it all down. Well, alright guys, that was the crazy car show. First time here in Newport, the new one. And I have to say, this has to be one of my favorite car shows of all time. Saw some wild cars, I'm telling you guys. Exclusive, top of the line. Crazy. 4 Bugattis. How can you see 4 Bugattis? It's just like mind-blowing, right? And then you saw that new Lambo as well. Wow, yeah, 4 GT, right? What was your favorite?
I think one of the Bugattis.
Yeah, one of the Bugatti.
The blue one or the white one?
I like the blue one too, dude. I'm digging it. Yeah, so just so incredible. Wow, digging it. Wow. Another crazy thing is that classic vintage antique Bugatti. That thing was loud. I'm so surprised. Loud. Are you kidding me? You know how rare that is to see it? They had the goggles on too. I really dig that. Yeah! Bugattis, dude, I'm telling you. Like and subscribe. See, seriously, if you want to see more, for sure. Honestly, right, nurse? Tell them.
What?
Let them know. Let them know to like and subscribe.
Yeah, if you like these types of videos, let Nathan know so he can go record more.
Yeah.
Like and subscribe or whatever you call
You heard him. You heard him right there. That's Papa Nurse right there.
Yeah, so he can buy a C8 one day.
C8s. Still one of my favorite cars, guys. Still, but I don't know. I've just seen the Bugattis. You know, of course I gotta say Bugattis, right? It's only natural. Very appropriate. Well, guys, the video continues. Now we're gonna go check out this egg, this super rare, one in the world probably, egg, family egg. It's called family egg. that's what it stands for, family egg, guys. So if you got like a wife and kids, and you like supercar, no, not supercar, hypercars, my bad, hypercars, and this is what you're gonna want right here, family egg. I'm just in complete shock right now of everything I just saw. Starting out with supercars and working our way up to hypercars. That family egg, that the first one ever. Incredible, guys, and you're seeing it here on NateVlog, guys. So you make sure you like and subscribe for sure. Absolutely, I take you to the best of the best. All right. Wow. What is it called? Pagani, guys. Pagani. That's my first time ever seen a Pagani in person. I didn't even know what that was, but hey, we're learning as we go. Anyways, hope you guys dig it, guys. Honestly, really hope you guys dig that, because I sure did. Top of the line, most exclusive car shows of all time. Dig it. For sure. Bye.